I want to show you how you can trade the XAU USD currency with the commitment of trader application that developed by Sakara Technology. So we are going to pick the gold, and the ticker symbol is GC for the gold. Before we start, we need to understand that the XAU and the GC, the futures contract, is the same chart. They have the same chart, and we are going to reflect all we see here to the XAU USD, and you will see the signals that we are find with the commitment of trader signals. So the commitment of trader is the smart money. It shows you the open position for the commercial and the non-commercial, because they need to report to the CFTC every week about the futures contract that they hold. So according to the data in the CFTC, we can develop, of course, the commitment of trader signals for the gold. So right now we can see the futures contract, ticker symbol GC. This is the price right now, and this is the commitment of trader, which means the commercial vs non-commercial. And we can see the non-commercial here in blue line and the commercial in red line. The non-commercial is including funds, hedge funds, and all the financial institutions that want to profit from speculation in the movement in the price. The commercial is the hedgers. They are the hedgers, and they want to protect the product, like the gold in this case. So if the non-commercial increase their position in futures contract and the non-commercial decrease, the underlying assets increase. In this case, we're talking about the gold. So we can see the price movement from October to April 23 is increased because the non-commercial increase their position in the futures contract. They increase every week the position, and the commercial decrease their position. This is the reason the gold increase. And in this area, we can see there is mixed data between the commercial and non-commercial, and this is the reason we have consolidation in the price movement. If you go back in time to this level, March 22, we can see the price is decreasing because the commercial increase their position in the futures contract and the funds decrease. So this is how it works. When the commercial increase the position in the futures contract, the price decrease. This is how it works. This is the smart money. The smart money and the game between the non-commercial, which mean the funds, and the commercial, which mean the hedgers. They want to protect the producers. They want to protect their materials. They buy and sell, and they want to hedge their position. So right now we can see increasing in the non-commercial and decreasing in the commercial, and we can see the price is decreasing a little bit. The question is, what will be the next move? So if we will see a crossing here and the funds, the blue line, will cross above the commercial, we will see increasing in the gold price. This is how it works. So if we know the gold price movement in the next few months or 1 month, we can trade with the XAU USD. This is the price of the XAU USD. The chart here for the gold, I will show you the chart of the gold, and I will compare it to the XAU USD, and you will see the same chart. This is how it works. This is the commitment of trader. If you don't know what is the commitment of trader, Google it. The commitment of trader indicator. This is the smart money. It shows you the commercial, the speculation, the difference between them, and all the others that hold futures contract. And remember that they have to report every week to the CFTC about their position. And we know to track the data in the CFTC and create indicator that show us what is the momentum right now. So I want to show you also other signals that the platform give us. So we can see that we are only 50-50, but the commitment of trader also show you a reversal. So if the red line is full, we can assuming that will be a reversal in the price. And the other side, if the blue line is full, we can assuming that will be a reversal and the price is decreasing. This is how it works. If you want to know more about this, you can of course read in our platform. You can see, push this button, watch it now, and you will understand what is the commitment of trader. And it shows you not only the gold, it shows you all the many other assets like corn, wheat. We can see if you check the corn, we can see there is control, the assets, the corn control, the commercial control the corn. Take a look, 94% and only 4% for the funds. And this is the reason the corn decreasing for a long time. Take a look, decreasing. But we get the situation here that the commercial will decreasing their position and the non-commercial must increasing their position, and we will see increasing in the corn price. This is how it works. But let's get back to the gold, because I want to show you now and compare the GC, the futures contract, and the XAU USD. So we are looking at Bloomberg terminal, and this is the GC generic price for the gold. This is how it look like, the price of the gold. Let's compare it to the XAU USD. This is the gold. This is the XAU USD in the blue line. So we can move it to new session, new panel, and let's remove all the moving average from the GC. So this is the movement of the futures contract. Here, this is the futures contract. The futures contract, and this is the XAU USD. This is the same chart. Chart is the same. If we can see, there is 5 years of data. This is the 5 years. We can see the price is the same. This is the reason that we use the commitment of trader indicator to trade and know the direction of the XAU USD. Because if we know the direction of the GC, we can know and understand the XAU USD, of course, because it's the same. So if the price will increase in the chart of the GC of the gold futures contract, it will move also. It's also increase in the XAU USD. This is because it's the same. It's the same price, and it reflect one each other. So now we track and understand that commitment of trader is very important to understand and predict the price movement of the XAU USD. Because if you know to figure and understand the data in the CFTC, we can understand the data, of course, and trade the XAU USD. This platform also show you the curve, which means contango and backwardation in the futures contract. It's also important, very important, to predict the price movement. And right now we can see increasing in the non-commercial position. This is the reason the price of the gold decrease, because remember that if the red line decrease, the price will decrease. It's simple, but it's mean that the commercial decreasing in the futures contract, they reducing the futures contract that they hold and move them to the non-commercial. And this is the reason the price decrease right now. So we will keep tracking this from here. So again, if the price of the blue line continue to increase, we will see increasing in price. But if we see increasing in the red line and decreasing in the blue line, it's meaning that the price of the gold decrease. We are now at this is November 10, and we continue to follow and track the position of the gold. Thank you for watching.